I always push the wrong button.
Oh my god. Okay.
It's filming, babe.
Oh, okay. Hi guys! So we are on our way to go get Starbucks. So we're gonna get Starbucks and then we're on our way to Trader Joe's. Happy Sunday! Today is Sunday. But it won't be Sunday when you guys watch this. Or maybe it will be. I don't know. Anyways, because maybe they'll watch it like next Sunday, you know? Anyways. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna head over there. Babe, are you hot? Did I turn this on right?
You're so cute when you drive.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Anyway, so we're gonna go. We'll vlog you later because I barely don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, we'll vlog you guys later. We'll show you guys our Starbucks drink. That's what's happening.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi guys. So we're at Starbucks. We just saw the line though, and we were gonna go through the drive-thru, but it's really, really long.
There's like 12 cars.
Seriously. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to actually just get down and order because I feel like it'll be a lot faster. But yeah, I'm gonna get a pink drink. Babe, what are you getting?
Iced coffee.
With 2% milk.
With 2% milk and some vanilla flavoring.
Oh, ooh, vanilla flavoring.
That's what I always get.
That's what you always get?
Yeah.
I've never heard you say vanilla flavoring though.
Well, the way I always order, I say vanilla iced coffee.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense because I was just like, ooh, you're being a little...
Adding a little flavor.
I know, but never mind, guys. Never mind. Apparently it's what they always
I
order.
always bring the flavor,
Yeah.
babe.
Oh, okay. Just kidding. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Starbucks. But we just wanted to update you guys. We'll vlog you later, probably when we have our drinks. So, yep.
Peace. Hey guys, we're back. Got our Starbucks. I think it was way faster than the drive-thru.
Definitely faster. Definitely. We're here. Just put on some hand sanitizer. This hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's is definitely going to be my favorite. It's like so good.
You want to show them our drinks?
Oh yeah, let's show them our drinks. So, here is Spencer's. He got a little 2% vanilla iced coffee.
Very little.
Very little. Guys, it's venti.
Definitely.
Have you guys ever had Trenta? Have you had a Trenta?
I've never had a Trenta.
I've never had one either. But like it's like so much liquid that it like you have to pee before like you finish it. It's crazy. Okay, and then we got a little pink drink for me because you know my obsession with pink.
Because she's cute and pink.
Pretty much. Like if I was a color, I'd be pink. I am pink.
You even drink stuff cute.
No, I don't. I'm self-conscious now.
Alright guys, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's, do some grocery shopping for Stephanie's mom, and then we're just gonna hang out after that. So, vlog you guys later.
Yeah, vlog you later. Hi guys, we're in the Trader Joe's parking lot right now. We just got here. We are gonna go get some things off of a list. We're gonna get some dog food as well. So we're gonna do that. And then afterwards, we're probably gonna go back to my house, drop everything off, and then Spencer and I are gonna hang out. I think we're making paninis, right, babe?
Yes, I'm so excited.
We're gonna make paninis, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out before, you know, we gotta kind of separate. It's gonna be very sad, but yeah.
Yep.
That's what we're doing today, guys.
Straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
Guys, we just came back from Trader Joe's. We have tons of stuff. So maybe we'll do a little haul. You think we should do a haul, babe?
Yeah, we just did a quick little thing.
Yeah, maybe when I get home. Hopefully I remember, because last time I said I was going to do a haul, and I didn't because I forgot.
You didn't do a haul?
No, last time I went to Trader Joe's, I didn't.
Maybe yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday we did do one, though. But it's not last time we went to Trader Joe's. Hi, guys! We are in the car right now. Babe, can we turn this up just a little bit? I feel like it's really hot right now. I know I'm wearing a jean jacket. Maybe I should just take off my jacket.
No, just keep it on. Super stylish.
hold on. Where's the little thingy?
Every girl owns a jean jacket, right?
Every girl does own a jean jacket. I'm convinced.
AC blew that right in my mouth.
The taste is good?
No.
Just kidding. Yeah, so we just got out of Trader Joe's. We actually went, it was pretty quick, right, babe?
Yeah, we did it really fast.
Yeah, I feel like it was really quick. We've never really done it in the morning, like not the morning, but like the afternoon.
Yeah,
early afternoon. So it was nice. I mean, it was packed, but I feel like everything that we wanted was there. And like we always go like Sunday night-ish, and usually like we have to either wait. I think maybe that's why, because usually we have to wait for things. You know, when they're putting them out.
Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes they just don't have stuff. Though.
Yeah, and sometimes they don't have stuff, and then sometimes we're like looking for it just in case. But yeah, it was pretty quick, even though it was packed. It was pretty packed. I took some video. I'll try to insert some clips. I did it illegally because I don't think you're supposed to film in Trader Joe's, I'm pretty sure. So we did a little bit of that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head back home. I'll try to remember to do a haul because sometimes I get overexcited and I just start taking things out. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys about what we were doing. Babe, are you calculating?
Mm-hmm. Do I count the ground beef?
For what?
For your mom's cost?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we'll vlog you later.
And said, let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
We're gonna go ahead and put this stuff away and we will vlog you later. Hi guys, we are in the car. We just dropped off the food. I kind of showed you guys what we bought. We just hung out with my parents for a little bit, just talked to them. We are about to head out to drive to Spencer's house, I believe, and we're gonna make paninis. I don't know, I'm trying to convince Spencer to go to the store to buy him clothes, but we'll see. We'll see, maybe we'll do that next weekend. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Spencer's over there calculating because he's really good at math. And actually guys, I am good at math. I am good at math. It's just that I'm not as good at math as he is. Does that make sense? Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he can do it all in his head. I still need to use my fingers and like use paper and pencil, but he can do it all in his head, so he's really smart like that. But I am really good at math, just that I need that extra help, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's what he's doing over there. Look at his smart brain. Oh, the wheels are turning. He's so smart. He's so smart. But yeah, just want to update you guys. We're gonna vlog you later. Hi guys, we are at the PetSmart parking lot and we are about to go get some doggy food for our dogs. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and then I'm gonna head home. I'm going to start editing this video. Spencer is going to hang out with his friends because it's one of his best friend's birthday today. So he's gonna go do that, and I'm gonna just have a me day, I guess. A me night.
I'm gonna hang out virtually.
Yeah, they're gonna hang out virtually because his friends don't live around here. They live in a different state. But yeah. we're gonna go ahead and go. We'll vlog you later.